So for this video, I'm going to share a, well, not really share, more of a tutorial on how to use cointracker.io to track your purchases, sales of cryptos for tax purposes. So if you have a Coinbase account, most of you will, you can click right here, Coinbase, continue with Coinbase, you sign in, it then synchronizes with all of your transactions. And then there's like a step 1, synchronize, step 2, verify that it looks right to you. Then 3, here's your report. It's all free. What I understand, I actually helped someone a couple days ago or yesterday do this. But it does do other exchanges not like Coinbase, such as Binance or maybe Kraken or possibly Bittrex. So most of those exchanges have an area within your account where you can enable API access. That allows third parties to access your account, in this case, cointracker.io. But when you create an API key on those exchanges that you have your accounts on, such that you don't have to do that at Coinbase, but you have to do it on like Binance or whatever. There's some checkboxes such as view only when you create the API key, view only, view and trade coin, trade cryptos, or view, trade, and withdrawals. So you can enable all that. Obviously for this, you only want view only. So you would uncheck all the boxes when creating that API key on Binance in this example. Uncheck all the boxes except view only. Viewing can't hurt anything. And all this thing needs to do is view your transactions anyways to determine if you owe taxes, and if so, on what. And then it adds it up at the end and tells you here's what you owe the IRS. Now, I know some people that are saying if I switch this coin for that coin and that coin, I'm not even counting that, even though the IRS says you're supposed to. That's up to you. All right, that's up to them. But especially on something like Coinbase or Gemini, where you put money into there and money came out and your bank account's attached, those kind of exchanges, you're definitely going to be paying taxes on. I'll tell you that right now. And you need to. You honestly need to on the other ones. That's the rule. It's the law. But I've had a lot of people tell me, I'm not doing that, whatever. So that's it. It's really that simple. And there's even you can even download all the transactions to a spreadsheet, like a CSV file. Or you can simply just look at the screen and it tells you right there. You had, 80,000 in here and you've taken out this much. You owe taxes, short-term capital. It'll say short-term capital gain taxes on, $10,000. It'll actually tell you that. So anyways, little quick update on this, how to use the site. It's real easy. Again, it's cointracker.io. Take care.